Check out this Air Wick with Lavender. Hey there, it's Kevin, and I do honest and unbiased reviews, and really hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. So this really brightened up our room in terms of the smell. We were having some issues that needed to be dealt with somehow, but we got this and plugged it into the wall, and the smell changed like that. It was so lavender-esque, and it really helped out with the smell of the room. Now this is completely used up, and we definitely need to get a new one, but you can also adjust the intensity of it by going up here and changing this. So if we wanted to go less, we go all the way down to here, and if we wanted to go higher, it'd be back this way. So this comes apart, and you can get a little vial of smell that you can then plug in to this and then plug it into the wall, and there you have it. That just helps with the smell, your overall smell of any room that you have in your home. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.